welcome back to my channel. It is a Friday morning and approximately 71-72 degrees. It's supposed to be cloudy with some rain in the forecast. My plan for today is to take my Blackeye peas that I started from grocery store bought seeds and plant them into my green leaf tower. First thing I'm going to do before I plant the plants is stir up or move the soil around. Break it up a little bit so it's not so condensed. And as I said, for those of you that watched the video, when I planted the seeds, I have 27 plants. Between these three, I have 18 spaces to plant. So today we're going to do 18 plants. The soil is a mixture of cow manure, peat moss, cocoa coir, perlite, and some other amendments. And I don't know how, but I actually have earthworms in some of these. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add some more manure into these three. This one is all mixed in and no longer compacted. Let's do the second one. That one's done. And the last one. Okay, now I'm going to punch holes for the plugs. Okay. Here are the plugs, and like I said, these are from grocery store seeds. Get my knife. Or maybe I can use this. There we go. Here's the plug. Got nice roots. This is the first one. Okay, let's tuck these in. Okay, these 6 are ready, and they will go back. This one will go back on the green leaf planter. Okay, let's get 6 more. Okay, we're gonna do the third one, and then we're gonna put it back together. Okay, for those of you that do not have a GreenStalk planter, what you're looking at is the planter with the watering disc in place. Each level has a watering disc, and when I water from the main disc, it drips down and into specific holes that are facing where each pocket is, and the plants themselves get watered. So what I'm going to do now is place everything back into place, and then I'm going to move it so where it gets sun the majority of the day and the plants will have a chance to grow. Okay, as you can see, it's all put back together and the plants are in their little pockets. Okay, I'm going to pour some water in the main container, and as I said before, it will drip down into the pockets that have holes in them. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's dripping into the disc on each level. There are 3 levels with plants, so each one of these will get watered. You can also take the watering jug and pour into each pocket. I want to thank you for coming along while we moved my Blackeye peas into the GreenStalk planter. I think they'll be okay. Last season, I planted Grandma Purple Hull peas and another variety of Purple Hull also in there, and they did fine. So I know it's a little early, but I wanted to do this experiment to see if I could grow them at this time of the year. Those of you that watch the planting of the seeds, there are 9 other plants that I have left, and as soon as my raised bed that has the turnips in it are done, I'm going to plant them in there as well. So should have a pretty decent harvest of Blackeye peas. So if you like my content, by all means consider subscribing to the channel. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. The spring season is coming along, and if you haven't gotten your supplies, go ahead and head over to my website, Urban Backyard Container Garden without the G at the end.com. The website will be listed in the comment section of this video, and you can get all your supplies, including seeds, and beat the rush. If you're interested in anything that I used in my garden, it's on my Amazon storefront page as well. You can head over there too. So until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow lots of food for yourself and your family. And until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.